Hi everyone. So this is an Airbnb property which we rented out in December last year, and this was in Nainital, exactly in Bhimtal actually. And the cleanliness, the property was so great that I decided to give you a tour of this property. So, this is the kitchen. This is a 2 BHK, and the hall is connected to an open kitchen. All the required things which we need in a kitchen were available here, such as RO, a working sink, gas, microwave, fridge, all the utensils in case you want to cook something. So we did cook all the meals by ourselves. So this was great for us. And inverter in case of power backup, so everything was available, and this was the hall area. So this is the first bedroom, and since we were there in winter, so it was really chilly, which is why they have kept extra bedding and extra blankets in case anyone needs it. Also, in case any additional person is traveling with you, then this bedding can be helpful. And this was the bathroom connected to the bedroom. Balcony is also connected to all the bedrooms and hall, and trust me, the view was so magnificent. I would be adding few clips which we took in the morning so that you can see the view from the balcony. It was breathtaking. um Now we will move to bedroom number 2. So there was washing machine as well in case you are living here for more than a couple of days and you need to wash something. Then it's pretty helpful. Iron was there, heater was there, so it's very helpful during winter season. All the cleaning supplies were also available in case you need to clean something. So this was the second bedroom. Again, pretty spacious, with a working table in case you are doing work from home, a door to connect it to the balcony. And this was the bathroom, the second bathroom is also very spacious, very clean, with all the required stuff available. And this was the view. Thank you.